Every account is a target. SmartShield helps stop fraud before it starts. SmartShield adds device monitoring, suspicious sign-in blocking, and real-time alerts. Open the Fifth Third mobile app or visit fifththird.com on your browser. Sign in, then tap your profile icon to open settings. In 2026, the app shows a redesigned security and alerts page for protection settings. Tap SmartShield to launch the updated dashboard and begin setup. Flip the Enable SmartShield toggle and confirm you want protection. Select Basic Monitoring or Advanced Blocking for stricter protection. Confirm how you want alerts sent: push, email, and SMS. Turn on Biometric Unlock and set a recovery PIN for emergencies. Review registered devices, remove unknown items, then save your settings. Quick tips: use strong passwords, keep contact info updated, and enable SmartShield now.